So we're looking at the Aussie Canada. Yesterday, Oscar gave us a heads up on this one. You see the market on the Australian on the daily. Okay, so we'll drill down now, and let's identify here a sideways trading channel. We've got structure resistance right here. We've got structure support. We've got back-to-back double bottom test at that swing low. And again, you see it did pop through right here, but basically we had a lower close at 85.43. This candle opened 85.50, drove down into a new low, okay, and then rallied back up. So there's your sideways trade. Now from there, we'll drill down into the 240-minute time frame, and this is where the signal set up. And right here, you'll see it went down in and tested the stop on non-farm payroll. Okay, so the first entry was right here, bottom part of the bid zone down here, and you can see again, stops below the swing lows right here held, and that structure support we looked at on the daily chart also was holding. So this guy right now is trading right at the bottom part of the bid zone. So here's the impulse. And again, you can see all of this activity occurring inside of that sideways channel. Now let's go ahead and look at the extension. Swing high to this initial impulse low, and right there is the great bid zone on that 4-hour chart. Okay, so part of the position at the top part right here, 86.82, balance 86.24, and you can see right now trading about 8 to 10 pips below. So again, there's an adverse excursion type entry with stops below the swing lows right here, Aussie Canada. Now we've seen 1, 2, 3 drives to a bottom that held right here at the second point of confluence. There's my swing high at C, there's the low at D. Again, this did pull down into this area. So the 618 retracement right here, target 1 is 87.30. So initial targets on the scalper, 87.26. Again, taking that level, subtract 4 to 5 pips, and in this one I think the pip spread might be around 7 to 8. All right, let's go over here and look at New Zealand. Favorable excursion traders are on that aggressive C. Opportunity now to take your profits. Gap fill trade flat. S&P 500 new lows. All right, there's New Zealand. Short entry right here. New Zealand pulled down into and did attain the first target. So as we look left right here, there's my swing low at C. There's the reversal high at D, and you'll see the 618 target attained. Okay, so yesterday we saw that press down into that area hard. New Zealand scalpers off. And now over here on an hourly chart, we could have an add-on. Here's the breakdown right here to the new structure low. That was used to identify the impulse leg. And now on an hourly chart, we could get an add-on to the short signal. Okay, so I've got limit orders resting right now for the short entry. Swing low to this initial impulse high. I've got a 1618 extension. Fib retracement. Now on the hourly, you'll see there's a new impulse low. And again, any short signals right here are consistent with the bigger pattern on the 120 and the 240-minute charts. Okay, so since that was broken, we made a new structure low on the hourly. And then this could be 3 drives to a top for the short entry right there. Okay, any shorts right here are adding back in. That would be a scalper add-on. And then stops have to go above the swing high right here, 77.39. So 77.53 would be a good protective stop on New Zealand on the short entry. All right, let's go look at Euro. Euro dollar popped after that long entry I posted yesterday. All right, this thing's a little slow. So let's pull in the Euro chart. Here's the Euro, S&P driving into new lows in the background there. Okay, so Euro was the long entry right here yesterday, around 44.15. Popped into the scalping contract targets during the day session yesterday. Trail stops below the swing low right there at 144. And then today you see it popped into just shy of the extended target. Non-farm payroll pressed it to 145.26. We were looking for 35s, no fill on that little spike on the limit order. Okay, so still long part of the position, and right now took that swing high right there. Again, look at that one candle, non-farm payroll, 145. That's not it. There we go. 45.26, 44.46, an 80 pip high to low range, and right now the market's trading exactly where it was prior to the news. Okay, so euro dollar trail stops on the balance 144.34. 144.34, and that's going to lock in about 10 to 12 pips on the balance of the position, but still leave opportunity for a drive into new highs. Okay, so euro scalping target hit yesterday. Trading contracts now locked in profit with plenty of room for the upside. So we'll see how the 9 o'clock news event comes in, and also see what the reaction to the markets is.